Hi everyone! Today we're going to make this cute little lion. It's adorable and cartoony and super easy to make. Let's jump right into it. So you could use any color paper, but I realized today that I am out of yellow paper and orange paper. So we are making pink lions today because that is what I have. So I'm going to start with a circle for the face, and 2 half circles for the ears. All right, and a little kind of heart shape for the nose. And then a little kind of J, a J and a backwards J for the mouth. I want its tongue sticking out, so I'm going to add a little U. That's optional. And some cute little whiskers. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Wonderful. And I'm going to add some little details like a half circle in red for the inside of the ears. And some little dots for some cute little cheeks. And fill in the tongue with the red. Now I'm going to make my eyes. I'm going to do some double cutting so I have the same size eyes. So my white paper is folded over, and I'm just going to turn to make a little circle. All right, do some tidying up. Okay, let's see how I feel about that size. I think that's a little big, so I'm going to trim this down a little bit smaller. I still want pretty big eyes because big eyes make it have that really cartoony, adorable kind of feel. If you wanted it less cartoony, then less big would work well. Perfect, I'm happy with that. The other thing that makes it look really cartoony is if we leave a white spot in the eyes. So I'm going to draw my 2 black circles for the pupils, then 2 circles that I won't fill in to be the highlight of the eyes. Then I fill in everything else. Fill in everything else. Perfect. Now I'll glue those down. I'm going to make them overlapping just a little bit. Just a little overlap there in the middle. Perfect. So now I'm going to cut a circle around this for the mane. Big old circle. We can have a big, glorious mane. Now, if you get perfectionist about these circles, you can always trace to make both your inside and your outside circle. So that side might be good, like plate size, and maybe the inside circle you do the size of a big cup or a smaller bowl. Alright, so now we're going to make the mane shapes. So what I do to start is I'm going to go to the 4 sides and cut straight to the middle. So top, bottom, left, and right. Alright. This helps me keep them even and pointing in the same direction. Now I'm going to go right in between those and cut 1 line in between all of them. Alright. Now I'm going to go in between all of those. And you can cut more if you want the mane to look like it has lots and lots and lots of areas. And you could leave it earlier if you'd rather. Less sections for the mane. I think this for me, and 1 more, is going to be just right. Perfect. Now we're going to curl the mane to make it sticking towards you. So I'm going to take each of these and just wrap it around my finger to give it a little curl. You could also wrap it around a marker or just wrap it around itself really tightly like this. It's all how tight or curly you want. I don't think I want mine too tight, so I think I'm just going to do a little roll. Just a little roll. So you can see the difference. So a really, really tight roll. And a loose roll. So you can pick which you are in the mood for today. Just a couple more and we'll be finished. Oh, it's so adorable. All right. And there we have it. A sweet little lion. I hope you have so much fun. And you know, maybe you'll do yours a little different. Is your lion going to be growling instead of making a cute little face? Who knows? I hope you have fun. Have a great day. Take care.